So we have Hannah Maundrell with us now, who's a personal finance expert from the website money.co.uk. Morning.
Good morning.
Mixed views there from people, and I think there's probably quite a lot of people out there who don't realise what they're getting with travel insurance, because there was one lad there who was what you get and it's quite expensive.
So travel insurance is peace of mind when you go abroad. Other countries don't have the NHS, so we have to rely on their state care, and in many countries that means you'll actually have to pay for medical treatment. Now, we have an agreement with a lot of Europe that means that we can get state medical care for free or for cheap with an EHIC card, but the rest of the world doesn't have that. It also means that with an EHIC card you still might need to pay for some treatment. So you could go on holiday, get an illness, have an accident and need to pay quite a substantial amount of money to be treated and also to be brought back to the UK, because if you're abroad they'll just do the necessary medical treatment to keep you alive and to keep you well, but you'll need to come back to the UK for anything further. Travel insurance also gives you protection against cancellation, so if you need to cancel your holiday because something goes wrong, you're too ill to travel in advance, then it will give you that reassurance of getting some money back, as well as if something goes wrong with your baggage, or if you're delayed, lose your money, many other benefits. It just gives you that peace of mind that your holiday isn't going to end up with costing you a fortune.
So what about costs in terms of actually getting the travel insurance? Have we seen that change much over the years?
The cost of travel insurance really depends on your individual circumstances. Where you're going, so Europe tends to be a lot cheaper than the rest of the world, especially the States, because their medical bills are the most expensive in the world. It also depends on your age. The older you are, the more you'll generally pay for travel insurance, because the more likely you are to claim on it. If you have pre-existing conditions, that could be something that you've had serious condition in the past, or even just something that you've seen your doctor about in the last couple of years. It could mean that you will pay more for your cover, again, because you're more likely to claim. With that, though, it's really, really, really important to be completely honest with your insurer about any illnesses that you have had. One of the major reasons that travel insurance policies don't pay out is because people haven't told the insurer about previous illnesses. So you're paying for this cover, you want to make sure that you can rely on it if something does go wrong.
People get it with their bank accounts and things like that now as well. Do you need to tell your bank any specific things then, if you do?
You at least need to check what you're getting. So standard bank insurance, travel insurance policies that come through with bank accounts do give you a certain level of cover, but it might not necessarily be the right level of cover for you. It might be, you might be too old for it, you might have had serious conditions in the past that would actually mean that it wouldn't give you the protection that you need overseas. Equally, if you're booking a really expensive holiday, so you're going on a lavish honeymoon or something, that the cancellation cover might not be enough. So it's really worth just double checking what you're getting and making sure that it's going to give you that protection. It doesn't have to be expensive. Shop around for cover. Cheapest isn't always best, though. It's more about the protection that it gives you if you do need to claim.
Hannah, thank you very much. All this talk of holidays is making me want to go on one, isn't it?
I was just thinking of booking one. Steph, Hannah, thank you very much for your time this morning.